following, keep pressing, more people can see my last move. Come on guys, keep following, keep touching on the screen as much as you can, as fast as you can, and follow, just please do it. Yeah, we got in there. Come on guys, let's hit 5,000 people. Keep pressing, keep following. We almost there. No, it's not 5,000, 4.2. Thank you guys for joining. I go internet now. I count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here we go. 15 by 15 done. Thank you guys for joining. Very appreciate. Follow if you're not following yet. Check my profile after you finish. And yeah, if you want to stay with me, I show you something funny tricks with 15 by 15 cube. Thank you for gifts. Follow my gifters too, and don't forget follow me too. Okay, so as you can see, it's done. So now time for tricks. Okay, so watch out now. I show you how to solve problem like this. Okay, going to be red, no, orange. Okay, so I show you how to solve problem like that. It's really easy, very easy. Okay, watch out guys, that's how we're solving problem like this. Here we go. And look like almost done, right? Almost, yeah. Now just joke, it's easy to solve. If you guys like what I'm doing, just keep pressing that button, keep following, keep sharing, and we're going to solve that. It's not that hard to solve. I can say it's really easy. About 8 moves. Here we go. Yeah. Okay, same with this. Let's check if our green is work. Can we cover? No, it's really hard to cover. No, it's not working. Sorry. If you guys like what I'm going, just keep following. Just keep following. If everybody follow me now, I got 3.3 thousand following. Thank you guys. Okay, I got have it orange. Okay, let's fix that. It's not that hard to fix, but before I going to fix that guys, just press that button over here. Thank you. It's about 8 moves to solve that little problem.